Today I'm going to show you one of the newest drinks that have made it on the Starbucks menu today. Can you guess what it is? That's right, the Cloud Macchiato. What makes this drink so unique is that it uses egg white powder. That's right, egg white powder. If you are interested in knowing where I found my egg white powder, I will leave the link below. So first you're going to mix your egg white along with your milk of choice. Here I'm using some soy. You can use any kind of dairy or non-dairy form that you would like to use. Once you are done adding it, you are actually going to blend it. Now we blend. I'm using a hand whisk, and it's very easy to use the hand whisk. You're going to want to make sure that all of the ingredients are incorporated together. So let's start blending. Make sure that all of the bubbles and froth kind of make it to the top, and just make sure that you really mix all the ingredients so you don't have any chunky powders. It's really important to make sure that you mix very, very well. Now we get started on the espresso shot. It's very important to make sure that you mix your froth mixture beforehand, because the espresso only has about 10 seconds before it'll actually, what you call, die. With the espresso there is a crema, and you don't want the crema to get to the heart of the espresso. That's what causes it to be somewhat bitter. Here I am adding the vanilla syrup. And now we are going to incorporate the espresso with the vanilla syrup. So now we add the espresso. When you're done adding the espresso, you will then add ice. You're going to add a good amount of ice to make sure that your drink is nice and cold. Finally, you're going to add your frothy, milky egg white mixture on top. I know it sounds funny, but it actually tastes pretty good. So make sure that you pour all of that on top. Now you can leave your drink like this, or you can add some caramel sauce on top. I prefer my drink a little less sweet. The caramel never hurts. So here I am adding some caramel. And there you have it. Your drink is done. Your Cloud Macchiato. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see the other type of Cloud Macchiato, cinnamon lemon version, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.